Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have taught you NCERT numericals that are based on reflection of light through mirrors, and the remaining 4 numericals that are based on mirror reflection. So I am going to start NCERT numerical, that is numerical number 12, as per NCERT chapter 10. Okay, what is given to us? An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. It means object distance. Object is placed means the distance of object. Okay, what is its symbol? U. And you know U is always negative. The object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. And U is always negative, so minus 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. I have placed the space for name of a mirror, convex mirror. Okay, having focal length 15 centimeter. So what is given to us? Focal length, and focal length is represented by a symbol small f. And for convex, whether it is lens or mirror, convex means focal length positive, and positive, that is 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of image. Image, position and nature is to be find out. Okay, it means U is given to us, F is given to us. What is to find out? V is to find out. Image position means what? That is V is to find out. So as we are using mirror here, so putting mirror formula. What is mirror formula? That is 1 by V. Mirror means मुझे add करो, plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. U is given, F is given, V is to be find out. The term which is to be find out, keep it along left hand side. So it will be 1 by F minus 1 by U. Now substitute the value with sign. F is plus 15 centimeter. U is minus 10. Minus 10 means minus here. It will merge to give plus 10. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10, that is 1 by V. 15, 10 having LCM 30. 15 2s are 30, 2 1s are 2. 10 3s are 30, 3 1s are 3. So it is 5 by 30. So 1 by V is equal to 5 by 30, and 5 by 30 is 1 by 6. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 6. V is equal to 6 centimeter. Answer is positive. Answer is positive. So I have told you, when answer is positive in case of mirror, the image is virtual and direct. So for mirror, if image distance is positive, it implies image is virtual and erect. So it is nature of image. Nature is virtual. So image is virtual and erect. Next, numerical number 13. Numerical number 13, what is the statement? The magnification produced by a plane mirror. So what is given? Magnification of which? Of a plane mirror. Dear students, what is the symbol of magnification? That is M, and it is given to be plus 1. What does it mean? Meaning, when magnification is positive, it means image is virtual and erect, because magnification is positive. And if magnification is equal to 1, it means image size, or I may call it image height. it is preferable to call it size. Image size is equal to object size. Okay, so what does it indicate? Why? Because we know m is equal to height of image upon height of object, that is image height upon object height. When m is equal to 1, then it means h dash upon h1, h dash is equal to h. It means what? It means height of image is equal to height of object. It means image size is equal to object size. Okay, students? Now, that is numerical number 14. An object that is 5 centimeter in length. What does it mean, length? Length means size of object, that is object size, and object size is denoted by a symbol h, that is 5 centimeter, and size of object is always taken to be positive, so it is plus 5 centimeter. Okay, an object 5 centimeter in length or size, it is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. It means object distance or distance of object, that is u, and you know u is always negative, so it is minus 20 centimeter. An object 5 centimeter in size placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. It means what is given? Convex mirror of focal length, not focal length, here radius of curvature is given. So radius of curvature, that is denoted by a symbol capital R, and capital R is 30 centimeter. Okay, for convex F and R both are positive because mirror is convex. Find the position of image, its nature, its size. It means position, size and nature of image is to be found out. Okay, so now if R is given to you, what is the formula for focal length? Focal length is denoted by F, that is R by 2, 30 by 2. So 15 centimeter, because length is convex, for convex focal length is positive, so F is positive. U is given, F is given. Image position of image can be found out by using which formula? Mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? That is मुझे add करो 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Now what is V? V is to be found out. Keeping it aside, 1 by V, that is equal to 1 by F. When 1 by U going to right hand side, it will change to minus 1 by U. F is 15, and what is U? U is 20 with minus sign. This minus 1 upon minus 20, so it will be plus 20. What will be the LCM of 15 and 20? Dear, it will be 60. 15 fours are 4 ones are. 23s are 3 ones are. So answer is 7 by 60. But it is 1 by V. What about V? V is equal to 60 by 7. So it will be equal to 8.57 centimeter. So we have find out image position, but also we have to find out its size. And I have told you, when image distance is positive, when image distance is positive, image is virtual and erect. Okay, don't worry, we will do second part, come to the same result. What is magnification? Magnification is equal to height of image to the height of object minus image distance upon object distance. We know image distance, we know object distance, we know height of object. So height of image can be find out. How we can find out? H dash is equal to minus V by U into H minus, what is V? V is 8.57, but you must aware that I am not substituting this, I will put this one, minus 60 by 7. What is U? U is minus 20. So U minus 20 in denominator, minus will get cancel with this, it will become plus. Okay, now what is height? Height is given to us, that is 5 centimeter. 5. Now 21s are 23s are. Now what it is? It is 3 5s are 15 and this is 7. So it will be 15 by 7. Dividing 15 by 7, we will get the result, that is 2.1 centimeter. So what is the height of image? 2.1 centimeter, and answer is positive. Okay, so as image is positive, so it is virtual and erect, because positive height means virtual and virtual image is always erect. Okay, now how can we write down the answer? What is position? Position is 8.57 centimeter. What is size? Size is 2.1 centimeter. What about nature? Nature is virtual and erect. So in this way I have taught you how to solve numerical that is based on mirror. But while solving any numerical that deals with reflection or refraction, you must put name, whether it is convex or concave. Sign must be mentioned, whether it is positive or negative. And the term you want to find out must be kept here only along left hand side. Substitute in such a way that sign must be paid special attention, otherwise there will be mismatching result. So in this way you can solve the numerical. Now let's start numerical number 15. As per the given statement NCERT numerical 15, an object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So what is given? Concave mirror. An object of size 7 centimeter. It means object size is given, that is denoted by H, and size of object is always positive, so it is 7 centimeter. Is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. It means position of object. Position of object. And object position is denoted by U, that is 20 centimeter, but 27 centimeter. But U is always negative, so minus 27 centimeter. concave mirror having focal length 18 centimeter. So focal length of concave mirror is given, that is denoted by F, and that is 18 centimeter. For concave, F is always negative. Now, what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Means position of screen can be find out, and screen means position of image is to be find out. So it means image position of image, that is V is to be find out, because it will act as screen position. Okay, the image will be formed on screen only when image is real, because real image can be obtained on the screen. Find the size and nature of image. Size of image as well as nature of image is to be find out. Nature is given to us indirectly, because screen is used only for which nature? Real image. So it is known that real image can be obtained on the screen, so nature of image is real. Okay, let's do solution. As it is mirror, so we are using mirror formula. mirror means मुझे ऐड करो, 1 by v plus 1 by u equals 1 by f. u given, f given, v is to be find out. So keeping v along left hand side, that is equal to 1 by v f minus 1 by u. What is the value of f? F is minus 18. What is the value of u? U is minus 27. Minus 27. What is the LCM of 18 and 27? That is 54. 18 3s are 3 1s are 3. 27 2s are 54. 2 1s are 2. So it is minus 1 by 54. So 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 54. So v is equal to minus 54 centimeter. It means position of image. Position of image, that is equal to 54 centimeter. So at 54 centimeter, screen should be placed. Now V is negative. V is negative means what? Image is real. In previous numerical, I have taught you that when V is positive, image is virtual. When V is negative, image is real. Okay. Now we have to find out size of image. For size of image, formula for magnification is used, that is h dash upon h minus v upon u. This h dash is to be find out. So what will be h dash? That is equal to minus v upon u into h. What is v? V is minus 54. So minus plus 54. What is u? U is given to us, that is 7 centimeter. What is h? H is height or size. Object size is 7 centimeter. Okay, so substitute here 7. Cancelling 7 with 7. Here 27. So 27 cancel with 54. That is 2. 2 7s are 14. So it is 14 centimeter. So we have find out the height, that is image height. Image height is 14 centimeter. Okay. that is minus 27, so it will be minus because it is minus 27. Minus 14. When h dash is negative, height of image is negative. Negative means inverted image is formed. Inverted means that is below the principal axis. So image is real and inverted. So dear students, in this way you have come to know how to solve the numerical that are based on reflection. So the chapter is over as per NCERT curriculum. In next video I will teach you refraction of light. So be with me in next video. Till then, goodbye.